Hello, Henrico learners. My name is Mrs. Perkett, and I teach at Radcliffe Elementary School. Today, I'd like to spend just a few minutes with you to help you understand our Math SOL 1.3. When given an ordered set of 10 objects, you will indicate which ordinal position each object is in first through 10th. Now, before we begin that, I like to warm up my brain. And I want you to join me. Let's get thinking about math and numbers. I heard that you guys are super good at counting. So I want you to count with me. Are you ready? Do it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Kiss your brain. Now, an ordinal number is different from this kind of number. Here's how. Let me show you some friends. I have a friend here and a friend here. How many friends do I have here? 1, 2. Which friend did I show you first? I showed you this guy first and this one second. Those are ordinal numbers. When we look at these, I bet you've heard of these. First, it tells us what spot or position something is in. Second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. It goes on, but we're just going to focus on 1st through 10th today. Ordinal numbers help us to understand the world around us. It tells us what position something's in. If we didn't know the order, how would you know that when you leave 1st grade, you're going to go to 2nd grade? It's kind of cool. And I bet that you have heard these and used them a lot, and maybe you just don't think about it. But I want you to start thinking about it because it's pretty cool. Now, when we're looking at this picture right here, we see cool race cars. This guy is crossing this line. What place is he in? If you said first, you are correct. Good job. So this guy is going in 1st place. It's kind of hard to see, but this guy, the blue car, looks like he's probably going to come in 2nd place. And this guy looks like he's going to come in 3rd place. Those are how we use ordinal numbers. We name what position each of these are in. Let me show you another thing that we use. We can tell an ordinal number for. This is a list of the days of the week. So when we look at this, we have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. How many days are in one week? If you said 7, you're correct, but let's just check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 days. Now, an ordinal number tells us what position they're in. So I'm going to look up here because I know already in my brain that Sunday is the 1st day of the week. So 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th. So when I say what is the 4th day of the week, you would have to say, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th. Oh, Wednesday, Mrs. Perkett, and that's your favorite day because it's hump day. And my class loves to celebrate that because we're halfway there. Now, I can write these like this. 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th. Those are our ordinal numbers that tell us the place of something. When you're looking at things, you have to know, wait a minute, which way do I start? Should I start on the right and count? Should I start on the left to count? Sometimes something is going up and down. Like if you had a ladder. This, we can't go to the right or the left. We'd have to be either going from the top down, or we'd have to start at the bottom and go up. You need to be looking for things that tell you where's the first thing so you can know where to begin and what's going to be the second thing. Look here. This is a line. So we know that this is going to start over here on the left because everybody's facing over here on the left. That's easy to tell that this is the line leader. So we say this person is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, and 12th. We're going to stop at 10th, but you guys could keep going if you know them. What about this one? Would we start in the same spot? No, we're going to start over here on the right. We can tell that because this is the way they're all facing. So this time, this person is our line leader. This one is first. This one is second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, and ninth. We can tell by the way that they're looking which way we need to start. Now, I want you to think about when else we use ordinal numbers. What about when you're reading? Reading? I know that I love to read stories, and when I retell them, I say what the main events were, and I usually say it like this. Let me tell you about this story. First, this happened. Second, this happened. Third, this happened. I put them in order, and I use ordinal numbers to let you know what happened when. Have you ever used a recipe? Recipes also tell you the steps and the order in which you need to put things together to make something. First, second, third. If you don't follow those steps in the right order, you probably won't be making what you wanted to make in the first place. So you have to pay special attention. Ordinal numbers are very important to us. So, what I would like for you to do to help practice is I would like for you to find 10 things in your home so that you can line up and you can decide which way you want to start and share with your family and practice saying which position each of these are in. You can do it by saying it. You can do it by making little cards, like I had little cards set up here that I could put down in front of something to name the ordinal position. But you need to practice at home with your family. This could be something fun. You could use coins, toys, cars, animals. Maybe you have a lot of people in your family and you could line up like you're in a line and figure out who is first, who is second. Well, I hope that you've enjoyed spending time with me because I have certainly enjoyed spending time with you. You guys are marvelous mathematicians. Keep it up.